Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix requested a command not received, lost connection to the host in the Call of Duty Warzone. So I will show you the 5 methods to fix this error. I hope one of them will work for you. Our first method is that you have to just update your graphic driver. For this you have to just open your run box by pressing Windows plus R at once, and here you have to just search for devmgmt.msc and then press OK. So here you will find your device manager. You have to just click on the display adapter and then expand this option, and then right click on the graphics and then click on the update driver, and then you have to just click on the first option here and start for updating your driver. And after updating your driver, your problem will be fixed. So after trying this method, you have to just move to the second method. For this you have to just check your internet connection and try to gain the stable internet connection. If you have a stable internet connection, then you have to just restart the router by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds and again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and restart your game. Doing so, your problem may be fixed. And the third method is that you have to just verify the integrity of your game files. For this you have to just open your Steam library and then right click on the Call of Duty Warzone and then click on the properties. Then click on verify integrity of the game files. Doing so, you have to just restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. Moving to our fourth solution, you have to just open your device settings and then click on the update and the security. And then you have to just click on the Windows security and then click on the firewall and the network protection. Basically you have to disable all of the firewalls and the network protections, including your antivirus software in your laptop or PC for some time. Then you have to just restart the duty of Call Warzone, and when your problem will be fixed, you have to just enable these all of the features again. And our last solution is that you have to just uninstall the setup of the duty of Call Warzone and again reinstall it. But make sure that you install your game through the Steam library. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.